the lesson 1. In lesson 1, we were doing the various agricultural steps which we have performed, which we have done. Now, there are few things also. There are few things also which we are going to do, and that is number 1, which we have already studied. Number 1, preparation of the soil. Number 2, adding manure. Third, sowing seed. Irrigation, weeding, after weeding, the 6th one is harvesting. This one we have done, this one going on, right? So yesterday we have talked about one activity, and the activity related to the weeding process, how we can do weeding in our garden. So all these things we have done. Now today we are going to start the harvesting process, and in this harvesting process lot of things are there, and according to that, let me tell you something. Harvesting first. It is a process in which we are cutting down our crop in a field, right? So harvesting process, it is a process in which we are cutting down our crop in a field. That process is called harvesting process. Means after the preparation of our crop, we are just cutting our crop, right? So this harvesting can be done manually, It can also be done with the help of machine, right? So it can be done manually also, it can also be done with the help of machines also. So manually we are using certain equipments. Used equipment for harvesting. That is sickle. Sickle, you know, hasia, darati, like this. Right? It is what? Sickle. We are cutting our crop with the help of this only, na? With the help of hand, right? So it is called manual equipment. Means manually we are. Second, we are also cutting our crop with the help of harvester machine. Right? If we are having big land, then there we are using harvester machine, right? Now the second thing which always comes along with harvesting, you have to do threshing also. Threshing is what actually? It is a process in which we are breeding our crop and we are trying to separate or we are trying to remove grain from the crop. It is a process in which we remove grain from the crop. Right? It is that process in which we remove grain from the crop, like this, right? So, in harvesting only, this process also needed to learn, and that is threshing process. Suppose we have cutted our crop, after cutting, it is necessary to take out that grain out from the crop, right? So, for that purpose, the process which we are using, that process is called threshing. After that, the next one is there, winnowing. Right? This is the first one. It is the second one. It is the third one. All these processes are present in harvesting. It is what? It is a process in which we are separating chaff from the grains with the help of wind, right? You have seen this in a very well manner. You have just seen at your home also. In a high wind, you are just throwing that material in which grain is also present, chaff is also present. So grain remains heavier in weight, chaff remains lighter in weight. So chaff remain this side, grain remain that side. So in this manner, both the things are separate. How they are separated? With the help of wind? Because grains are heavy in weight, so fall nearby, right? And chaff are lighter in weight, so fall far from us. In this manner, both the things are going to be separated. So these are the processes which we have to learn, which we have to study. The number one is out of that is harvesting process. The number two is there, that is threshing process. The number three is there, that is winnowing process, right? These processes all are just coming under the sixth step of agricultural practices. Before that, we have already studied out the first step, preparation of soil. The second step, adding of manure and fertilizer. The third step, sowing of seed. And the fourth step, irrigation, pani dalna. The fifth step, weeding, uprooting the crops, means unwanted and undesired plants which are grown up in the middle of the crop. And the sixth one is there, harvesting. So try to learn this step which I have told you today, which I have explained you today, and that is the harvesting one. So try to do this. Right? Now I am giving you some homework. Try to do this homework at your home. You have to just learn 3 definitions today, and from that 3 definitions you will understand. And it is necessary also to learn these definitions. In this chapter, these definitions are important. Question number 1. Define harvesting. Which equipment is used for harvesting? Name. Question number 3. Define threshing. Question number 4. Define winnowing. So these are the questions for today. Try to solve these questions. Try to learn these questions. And this is important. And one more thing, in winnowing process, how you are separating calf and grains. Why calf and grains are separated? On which basis calf and grains are separated? With the help of feed. This thing is also necessary, and you have to do that part, right? That I have told you, already told you. Calf lighter in weight, right? और जो चीज हल्की होती है, that always far away. So fall far away from us. Clear? It is lighter in weight, that's why it fall far away from us. The second thing is there, that is grain. It is heavy in weight. So it fall always near to us. Right? These are the things which you have to learn today from this lesson, from this topic. And for this, thank you very much, class. And please solve these questions and try to write them 2-3 times at your home. Try to learn them also, right? Because these kind of questions always comes in your exam. So it is necessary to learn them. So once again, thank you very much, class. Thank you.